All right, here we go. We're going to start out chapter 1, section 2, day 3 with combined problems. We got all of our different exponent rules. Remember, we multiply variables, same base, we'll add their exponents. When we divide, we'll subtract. Power to a higher power, we will multiply. And then when we also have negative exponents, we'll move them either up or down, opposite of where they are, to make them positive. All right, first problem here, we have a power to a higher problem. We also have a number here that has a power of 1. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to distribute that 2. So I'm going to take the 1 times that and the 2 times that one, and we will get negative 5 to the second power, x to the 8th. All right. The denominator does not have that power of 2. It's not in the parentheses, so I'm just going to rewrite it. And now we just have to simplify. I need to take this negative 5 and I need to square it. Now when I do that, I'm taking the negative 5 times the negative 5, which is positive 25. Remember, not 5 times 2. We'll get x to the 8th, 35x to the 3rd. And now 35 can't go into 25, but we can reduce them. Both those numbers are divisible by 5. So 5 goes into 25 5 times. 5 goes into 35 7 times. Now I have 2 x's. Oh, I forgot the 3rd here. Where is the x bigger? Up on top. So I'll subtract. 8 minus 3 is 5. All right. Now down in example 2 here, we have 2 negative exponents. We don't have any powers outside this parentheses like we did up here, so we won't be distributing. But I'm just going to rewrite each one of these. The negative 6 doesn't move because that's a negative number, not a negative power. This is negative up on top, so I'm going to move it to the bottom. And the z will stay to the 7th here. And I'm going to do the same thing over here. I got 4. This has a negative 6, so to make it positive, I move to the bottom. I have a y to the 5th. All right, now I'm going to go and look to combine things. Now there's only one z and one y, so there's nothing to do with them, but I just want to put them in alphabetical order. So y to the 5th, z to the 7th. 6 and 4 are being multiplied. They're coefficients. So we're not adding them. We're doing what they tell us to do and multiply. I'll get a negative 24. Now, because the 2 x's are on the same level, they're being multiplied. So we will add them. Unlike the last problem where they were being divided, so we subtracted. So we'll get x to the 9th. Those are our first 2 examples. We'll come back with one more, and then we'll be on your way to your homework for today.